Hi, my name's Graham, and today I'm here to show you my final project video. And my project that I've been building over these past 6 weeks at Blue Stamp is a Maglev tube trap. Now, since last time in my second milestone, I built 12 new solenoids so that my magnet could move farther through my tube than it could before with only 12. In addition, I've made a 3D printed case that I designed myself to go around the circuitry so that it's not hanging out, and also so that I could fit a fan to the top of it so that heat could be dissipated out from the circuit. So here's a closer look at my 3D printed case and my solenoids. Now, if you open up my 3D printed case, you can see the exposed circuitry on the inside. Now here, I have almost the same shields as when I did in my second milestone, except I've been able to stack them all up by the use of these go-between shields. What a go-between shield does is it takes the current from one pin in the Arduino and reroutes it to another pin, so that I can stack up these motor shields, which have blue pins here, on top of each other, so I can control 3 at once while they are all stacked on top of each other. So going in order here, I have my Arduino board on the bottom, then a motor shield here in blue, then a go-between shield, a motor shield in blue, a go-between shield, and then a motor shield. And each of those motor shields controls 2 of the solenoids here. And on top, I have a proto board. And what that proto board is essentially a blank circuit board where I can put whatever circuit I want into it. And what I've managed to solder onto here is 6 resistors, which are in series with these solenoids here, which you saw in my second milestone, which were on a breadboard. In addition, I have 2 screw potentiometers here, which help me control the magnet moving through the tube. This screw potentiometer, farthest away from the camera, allows me to control the position of the magnet in the tube, and the one closest to the camera right here allows me to control the speed at which it moves through the tube. Now, some problems that I've faced while over the past 2 weeks since my last milestone is that I realized when I had my solenoids scrunched up together in pairs of 2 that they weren't exerting the proper magnetic force I wanted them to exert on the magnet. So my solution was to space them all out and keep them wired the same way, because that helped add simplicity to the design. So now we'll show my Maglev tube track in action. So what you'll be able to see in the camera is an inside view of the tube. Right now the magnet is all the way at the opposite end of the tube, and you'll be able to see it moving towards the camera. And when I turn the power on, you'll see my 3D printed case light up blue, which means that the power is turning on. Now here's another angle of my magnet moving through my Maglev tube track. Now here, I'll turn the power on again, and you can see the blue indicator lights lighting up to say that it's on. Now, as the magnet moves through the track, here are red and green indicator lights that are showing that the poles in the solenoids are changing. And as you can see, the magnet has moved all the way to the end of the track. Over the next few days at Blue Stamp, I'm going to edit the code in the Arduino so that I can more easily move the magnet through the tube, and also so that I can try to make a program to make the magnet accelerate out of the tube. Thanks for watching.